Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel House of Investments. Today the market crashed again. If you take a look at today's market, let me quickly open the chat for today. Yeah, so this is how the Nifty index, Nifty 50, looked like today. Uh, it opened around 18,353, and then the market tried to recover after 945, but the downtrend continued, and again the market closed at 18,178, which is 88 points lower than yesterday. If you remember yesterday, I had uploaded one video wherein I had highlighted the stocks that you could target. So these are the list of 11 stocks that I had presented yesterday. So in few of the stocks, few of the stocks, continued with the downtrend. Few of the stocks bounced back, but today, the few of the fundamental stocks and good companies who have pretty good future continued with the downtrend. And I would say that this is a golden opportunity to buy these stocks. Obviously, I'm not recommending you to put all your money and buy these stocks. You can, buy these stocks in small installments, but you never know. Today was the second day, when the downtrend happened. So you never know, the stock might crash tomorrow as well. And this Deepak Nitrite, which closed at 2132, might come down to 2300 or 2200 tomorrow. So what I would suggest is, instead of buying it bulk, invest in small installments. Okay, so let's take a look at these 11 stocks and what trend was noticed today. So IRCTC, which closed at 4434 yesterday, so it managed to bounce back and closed around 4573, which is a good 3% jump from yesterday's closing price. For Deepak Nitrite, again, the profit booking continued, and obviously, the last few weeks or last few months, but Deepak Nitrite was phenomenal, and obviously, since there is overall the market sentiment is a bit negative. Because of the profit booking, obviously, there are no significant factors because of which the market is crashing. Just that market has reached 18,000 mark. Obviously, that rally, this rally continued over the last few months, 10 to 12 months after the COVID. So obviously, the market correction was expected, and 1 or 2% market correction was always always around the corner. So Deepak Nitrate is another stock which is available at a pretty good discounted price of 24,432, which is a good 4.8% drop as compared to yesterday's closing price. Tattva Chintan Clean Sciences, looks like there has been a trend change in these stocks, but you never know. We'll have to wait and see. The next few days are going to be crucial. And coming to the next stock, Lakshmi Organic, again the fall came back by 5%. Currently the closing price is 475, and I would recommend you to go for this stock, maybe in small installments. The next is Easy Trip Planners. Again, as I had told you yesterday, since the vaccination, we are seeing the results of mass vaccination, and the daily cases are going down, economies are opening up, especially the travel and hospitality industries. We are noticing all major resorts and hotels are registering occupancy of around 80 to 90%, which is a very good sign. And we are just we have not entered the holiday season. The holiday season in India starts from mid October. So in the month of September and October, we have already seen good occupancy rates in the hotels. So obviously, this travel has opened up, and you can consider buying this particular stock. It's a pretty good stock, and you can start buying in small quantities. And another, I can say, the show stopper stock is another, is IEX, which is like the market leader in energy exchanges. And obviously there is a monopoly. This is, you can say, is a monopoly stock. And since there has been again a drop of close to 4% today, you can add a few quantities. I'd say that tomorrow just wait for the first 5-10 minutes, and if you see that the stock is picking up, post that, maybe after 30 minutes or an hour, you can think about investing in this stock. Because you never know, I mean, market can bounce back a bit tomorrow, or the downtrend might continue as well. So you'll have to put your money in small quantities. I'm repeating this sentence because I feel everyone, all of you, should be careful while investing in companies during a downtrend or during a crash. You cannot call this as a major crash, but yes, the stock price of good companies have come down significantly in the last couple of days. Similarly for Sonacoms, now it's available at attractive price. You can consider buying it. Similarly for Dixon Tech, MTAR Technology, we saw a bit correction in those stocks, but still we can see good prices. Obviously, I mean, we saw a few corrections today because since the Dixon Tech and MTAR Tech fell close to 9%, they were available at attractive prices. There was heavy buying in those stocks. Therefore, you can see a slight trend reversal today. And now Trident, we are expecting the earnings today, and it might come in next 1 hour. We'll have to wait and watch, and I'll be making a separate video whenever the earnings for Q2 comes up for Trident. And the stock is also, you can say 38.65 is a pretty good price, but the stock is a pretty volatile one. You never know. If you see good results today, the stock can bounce back strongly tomorrow. But what I would recommend is just keep a track on the earning results, which will come out in some time, and post that you can consider buying this stock. And if obviously, I mean, there are 60-70% chances that the company will register good Q2 numbers. But in case the company doesn't doesn't really doesn't I mean, if the company results are not good for the last quarter, I mean, we'll see heavy profit booking in this particular stock. So we'll have to wait and see. So yeah, that's about the stock tracking activity that I have started from yesterday. October 20 was the day one for the crash, and today was the day two of the crash. Similarly, I'll be tracking these stocks closely for the next few days, just to see what is the trend, how is the market reacting to this. So few of the stocks that you could target are CAMS, Astral Limited, Mobile, Polycab, IEX, I've already told you. Sonacoms, we have already told you. Then Asian Paints and Berger Paints. Also, these are two stocks which are currently available at an attractive price. So you can consider buying these stocks, because these stocks are fundamentally pretty strong, and the paint companies, the business will always stay. And since we are out of the lockdown, things are improving, we can expect the results for these companies only going up from here. So yeah, that's about today's video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Thanks a lot for watching this video.